said today that fentanyl mixed with xylazine is linked to a rising number of deaths. The government is going to now come up with a plan within 90 days to fight this threat.
Well, Narcan does not work on reversing the impact of xylazine because it's not an opioid. 13 Investigates looked into the rising deaths of xylazine in central Indiana. We have more on that on our website at WTHR.com. And right now, the Indianapolis Public Safety and Criminal Justice Committee is meeting to consider an $800,000 grant program to tackle drug use.
Yeah, tonight, our Rich Nye says city leaders want to use that money from the nationwide opioid settlement to expand services that fight the overdose crisis here in Indy.
It's the opioid crisis.
The proposed partnership between the Coroner's Office and the Office of Public Health and Safety would fund awards to organizations addressing access to opioid use treatment, prevention, and recovery, especially in underserved communities in Indianapolis.
I personally saw many lives lost, and it is important to remember that for every person that we lose, there's an entire family behind them that is also suffering.
I lost a niece to a fentanyl overdose just a year ago, 24 years old, and it just touches so many families.
The Marion County Coroner's Office reports more than 800 deaths from drug overdoses last year in Indianapolis. The majority due to synthetic opioids like fentanyl.
Deadlier faster, right? So people can use opiates once, people can use fentanyl once, and they can die of an overdose.
Eskenazi health addiction specialist Dr. Maria Robles says communities must invest in wraparound services to tackle the opioid crisis.
I'm a doctor, so I can provide medications, I can provide therapy. I cannot provide housing. I cannot provide food. I'm not a peer recovery coach, so I can't provide that experience-based information. So making sure that somebody has everything that they need is the only way that they're going to succeed.
Fighting a crisis that claimed a record number of lives in Indy last year. In Indianapolis, Rich Nye, 13 News.
So if this opioid response grant program is approved in committee tonight, the full City County Council will consider that proposal on May 8th.